Hello. This is very spontaneous. I was just on my phone and you look very adorable and cute.
Thank you.
And I thought better talk to you than be more on my phone.
In today's video, super quick interaction, as the title may suggest. I notice this beautiful blonde girl for the corner of my eye, and abruptly I stop whatever I was doing and I decide to talk to her. It was very spontaneous. I stop her from the front. You can kind of feel that in the opener. I don't have anything prepped, right? I didn't have much time to observe her or to make a comment on her style. It was just like a brain trigger, something hot, want to talk to her, I'll figure it out, let's go, right? Like it all decided within like split seconds. And that's great if you can get to that level. You don't have to be super like, custom or compliment her beauty or anything like that in the opener. That's why I literally tell her, hey, spontaneously I decided to talk to her instead of looking at my phone. Now this girl has a bit of a reaction. She's not sold right away. She's a little bit busy, and I think that's very relatable. That's why I wanted to put out this video, even though it's a very short one, because it's still very powerful. How to react when somebody puts up an objection right away. So let's play it a little bit further and see what happens.
Thank you. But
You look overwhelmed.
yeah, I'm a little busy right now.
A little busy?
But
Okay.
yeah, I'm sorry.
No problem. What are you busy with?
I have to go to a shop to buy something.
Okay.
She's busy. She has to go to a shop. She's in a hurry. She said, I'm sorry. But what else is she doing? She stands there right in front of me. She looks at me. She's smiling. She's comfortable. She's not moving away. She's not like, bye. She's not annoyed. So here's a key kind of message of this video. Girls will give you objections. They might say things like, hey, I'm busy, I'm in a rush, I'm late, I need to go somewhere, I am on the phone, I'm doing something. But that does not mean that they don't like you. Some of them do, of course, right? If she's like, I'm busy, and she just walks off and, moves her body away from you, or you can't stop her momentum at all, or she brings up the boyfriend right away, that's a pretty strong block. But that's not all of women. And I think a lot of you guys make that mistake. They hear a tiny objection and they immediately take it personal. You just straight up put it as proof that she does not want to talk to you, that she does not ever want to stay in touch with you. So this is a really key element here. So how you deal with these objections matters a lot if it's one of those that we have to deal with here. So she established she's busy. Let's see if I take it personal or how I handle it.
Your heart is pounding.
Yeah.
Wow, it's very important. What's your name?
My name is.
Alex, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
And you need to go, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But I think you're cute. You think I'm cute?
Yeah, you're cute.
Okay. So what we should do
You have a
is...
nice coat.
Yes, we match, I think.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you should add me... I'll text you on WhatsApp. And when your heart relax...
I have Instagram.
Okay.
You?
Add me on Instagram then.
Okay.
We can do this. It's fine.
Yeah.
So she's busy, but she likes me. And I see it in her eyes, of course. That's why I'm not, getting out of there as quick as possible. I go into problem-solving mode, and I'm a clear communicator, and I'm with her. There comes a block from her side, it's the objection. And instead of fighting against it, saying things like, oh, just stay here for 2 minutes, just talk to me, hey, I'll be quick, let's do this quick, or anything like that, pushes against her, and it's just not seductive, right? I mean, a seduction for a woman should feel smooth, it should feel gentle, she should feel guided, not blocked against. There shouldn't be resistance. A girl will never go to bed with you because you forced her. That's not the way we want to do things. That attitude already comes across very early in how you communicate with the first little types of resistances, like, hey, I'm busy now, I need to go to the shop. What I do is communicate to her that I understand her point. Oh, you need to go, you're busy, right? Okay, I understand, no problem. Well, I think you're cute. Do you think I'm cute? So I check in with her, are we on? Kind of, early, and quite quick escalation. And then by the way she moves her body, because she's wavering, that's a very strong, sign of interest from her side. She even points out my clothing, then I take that opportunity to, slightly touch her arm against arm to compare, the material of her brown coat with my brown jacket and, compare the color there, which just gives me an excuse to touch. It's a bit more advanced. I don't want you guys to think you need to touch girls early, but in this case, good moment, I go for it. And then I tell her clearly what is the execution plan, how we're gonna move this forward. I'm a clear communicator here again, so she knows what's up. she knows the next steps. I'm basically taking the lead here that works for both of us. I'm like, I want to get to know you. Do you want to get to know me? Yes, okay, we do it this way so you can not be late for the shop and you can move on because I respect that objection. I'm with you, not against you. So let's see how the rest plays out here.
And when you're less super busy, super stressed,
Okay.
we have a more calm conversation.
Sure.
Your name was? From Bulgaria?
Yeah, I'm from.
Cool.
You?
I'm from Austria.
Austria.
Austria, yes.
What? Actually, my mom lives there
Nice.
in Vienna.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah.
And you want to tell me what you're going to buy now? That's so important.
Some cosmetics for my face.
But you will not lose your face. Like, why is it so urgent? Or it's burning or dry?
It's urgent. Yeah.
It's urgent. I guess it's girl stuff that I don't understand,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. See you soon.
Yeah. See you soon. Bye.
You can go back a few seconds and see how long that handshake is and that eye contact, just to end it again on a strong note, make it memorable for her. I'm calm, relaxed, even after I get the Instagram. I'm not just ejecting out of it because I know I got her there. She's enjoying this, you know, she's a little bit on her tiptoes as she's talking to me. All these are good signs. So yeah, the whole interaction was just a little bit more than 2 minutes, but I was still able to hold strong eye contact, give a nice long handshake in the end, put pressure on her, show my leadership skills, get kind of like verbal confirmation from her, like, yeah, you're cute, touch her a little bit, right? So you can do these things in a short amount of time. Now, am I saying in this video, hey, every approach should be 2 minutes and then you should get out of here? No, that's not at all the point of the video. The point of the video is that even a short approach can be strong if you know how to handle it. The main point is, if she gives you an objection like, hey, I'm really busy, it could mean she doesn't want to talk to you, but it doesn't always mean she doesn't want to talk to you. I mean, if things like, I have a boyfriend in the first 2 seconds, yeah, she doesn't want to talk to you. If she's straight up like, oh, no English, or anything like that, yeah, she doesn't want to talk to you. But if she's smiling, standing there, directs her body towards you, opens her eyes, and is nervously saying, oh, I'm in a rush, you have green lights to get to know her a tiny bit, move with her in the same direction, or walk with her, physically move in the same direction, and then go for the close and, you know, buy yourself a little more time to have a little bit of that romantic impact. If you want to learn how to start cold approach and you are a bit hesitant, you want to know, what do I do first? How do I even ground myself? How do I overcome kind of like that resistance and that shyness? I made a video where I explain exactly that step by step, so you can watch that next. Other than that, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if this is useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. All right, thanks for watching. Quick reminder again, the Black Friday offer is live. It will expire on Friday. And if you are one of the quick ones, there's an action taker bonus that expires on Wednesday. So catch it now, link below. It's a no-brainer deal. You have basically nothing to lose. And I'll see you in the next video.